In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Highlander key fob to change the internal battery at home. It's a really easy process. You will just need one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those online, there will be a link down in the description to get one of those on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now let's get right into this. We want to look on the side, or on the bottom rather. There's this little switch on the bottom of the key fob. You want to hold that down and pull out the internal key. Now, looking inside there, you can see this larger hole is the keyhole, and here we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to open this. So here is the keyhole, and then perpendicular to it, there is this other little slot. That is where we want to insert a flathead screwdriver, and we are going to twist just to crack this thing open. It won't damage anything, don't worry. Just insert your flathead screwdriver into that area, hold the device loosely, and just twist your key fob. It takes very little force, and this thing will open right up for you. Now you can flip this over to dump out this little component that houses the battery. Set these to the side for now. And you can see there is this little indentation right up there in the corner. That is where we want to insert a tool like a flathead screwdriver and get under there to pry the battery up. Now you can just kind of use the corner of your large flathead screwdriver. You may end up kind of scratching this thing up. So a little bit better to use a smaller tool. I'm going to use this little tiny precision screwdriver. You could just work it out with your regular screwdriver, or you could use a paper clip, toothpick, bobby pin, something like that that fits in here. And once you get under, you're just pushing down to the bottom and just prying the battery out. Pop right out like that. Super easy. So it takes a little force. You can put your finger on the battery to prevent it from flying out, and you're just prying back and it'll click out. So there we go. That is a CR2032. And if you don't know where to get that, remember to check the link down in the description. And when we are putting the battery back in, or putting the new battery in, we want this positive side to be facing up. So go ahead and just click that battery into place. See that plus sign face up, and now we can put this all back together. So you see this little circle here on the inside of the back of this device. Just set the battery facing down on top of that, and this will sit in place nicely. And now you can just put this part on top and click it all back together. And there we go. Put the internal key back in, and you can check and make sure it's working. You will see that light come on. That means you did everything right and your battery is charged and good to go. So if that video helped you out, feel free to let me know down in the comments. And remember, if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we do have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every make or model you could think of. So go check those out, or you can visit us directly at fobbattery.com.